How to save zip code reports into a spreadsheet. Searchbug offers zip code listed by radius or county for only 2 cents each report. These reports can include dozens or even hundreds of zip codes, and the results are not saved in your account like other search reports, but there is an easy way to save the results to a file. First, let's create a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Just type sheets.google.com into your website URL and create a new file. Now, in another tab, go to searchbug.com, log in, and run a zip code search. Enter the values and click search. Here's our report. Now let's click and drag to highlight all the data. Right-click and copy. Now we go back to the spreadsheet, hit Ctrl-V to paste the data. Voila! Now we can save our zip code data in a file. Add a sheet and you can save the next report there to keep all your zip code data in one file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. Searchbug. Names, numbers, now.